So let's just get right to it. Telesin has updated their Max Lens mod, and it's almost half the price of the GoPro Max Lens mod. But is it any good?
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Links to everything you can find down in the description, plus some coupon codes and a surprise link. So initially, I was gonna make this video as like a guessing game where it was like, which one is the GoPro footage? Which one is the Telesin footage? But come on, you don't have time for that. You're here to see if the Max Lens mod from Telesin, which is under $60 US with my discount code, looks as good as the GoPro Max Lens mod, which is around $100 US. Well, I'm gonna save you some time here and tell you that no, it's not better, but it is cheaper, and it also does a really good job at that Max Lens stabilization. And I'll show you the footage and you can see for yourself. But I must say that the whole Max Lens mod stabilization thing is just like magic. Look at how bouncy this camera is on my skateboard. Like when you look down at it, you would say this footage is unusable, but when you play it back, it's crazy how much it stabilizes that vibration on the camera. So it does a good job, and even putting it on Whiskey, he likes to run around with it, he shakes a bit, and it's crazy how much it stabilizes it. But the thing that you'll notice between the Telesin one and the GoPro one is that warping effect. And maybe you don't notice it on a phone, but if you're watching it on your computer or on a TV, you'll definitely see a little bit of that warping effect. However, you only do get that warping effect when it's really shaking a lot, so depending on how you're gonna use it, you might not even see that warping effect at all. And I should say right now that I'm a huge fan of Telesin. I think they have great products, but for this channel, I just want to tell you exactly how it is and show you how it is so that you can decide for yourselves. I mean, $100 US might be out of your price range, and $60 might be your next best option. But there you have it. You've seen the footage, you see what it looks like. A lot of you were actually asking about that and wanting to see what it looked like, so that's what it looks like. And if they do come up with some updates on this stuff, I will let you know. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
You call you Uncle Blackie?